This was everything I took with me on a 4-day, 3-night getaway. I traveled separately from my husband and son, so this was all I took with me. In my bag was 1 pair of sleeping pants, 4 shirts, 2 dress pants, a coat, a blazer, my purse, a backpack, my work laptop, the charger for the laptop and cable for my phone, water bottle, comb, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush. My first tip is to pack clothes in a clear bag. Not only will this keep all your clothes together, but it will make it very visible in case that your clothes have to be inspected by TSA. I love reusing those clear vinyl zippered linen bags that normally come with the sheet sets that you buy. This is the bag from my son's bed sheets. Tip 2 is to bring items that have multi-uses. Anytime I travel, I take a little sachet of Zote soap. This soap has many uses. You don't need to buy specialty travel clothes. The clothes I like to travel with are considered business wear. My favorite pants to travel with are made with a blended synthetic material. I found these to be the best for travel as they're stretchy and comfortable and don't wrinkle easily. And if I do need to hand wash them using the Zote soap in the sachet, they will dry overnight and be ready for wear the next day. Wear your larger or heavier items on your person instead of packing them. This was all I ended up taking with me, and some of the clothes I did end up wearing on my person, so I didn't have to pack it. Store clothes vertically. They'll take up less space this way and you'll be able to see everything you have. I found that the key to traveling light is in the folding. For pants, I lay them flat, tuck in the bottom to make it about the same width as the leg, fold it in half again, and then in half again. This is pretty similar to the KonMari technique. Then I just place the pants in the bag standing up. Here I'm folding one of the dress pants that I'm bringing with me, and again, I'm folding it into 1/8 and placing it standing up in the bag. All of the clothes that I'm bringing on this trip can be dressed up or down. Here I'm using my modified KonMari folding technique on my shirts. I'll put the link for the video tutorial up in the eye above for you if you're interested in that. These first 2 shirts I'm showing you as I folded them in real time, and I think the folding's going really quickly. I'm not even trying to go fast, and it even works on these fancier shirts that have many ruffles on them. Now I'm just gonna speed up the rest of the folding because I think you get the idea. I really love using these bags for travel because they're so sturdy and they keep everything so nice and tidy and together, and you can see the contents on the inside. Here I'm tucking in some of my undergarments. I'm not going to show you those individually, but I do like to bring an extra pair of each just in case. Roll your clothes to prevent wrinkles. For this trip, I did have to attend a business formal event. This is the blazer that I brought with me, and I found that folding it in half and then rolling it worked really well to keep it wrinkle-free. I just had to make really sure that as I was rolling it, I wasn't introducing any wrinkles into the blazer. And you can see it fits really nicely into the linen bag. I do like to put that sachet of the Zote soap into this bag just to keep the clothes smelling nice and fresh. And I placed my comb on top. Save money by buying items after their season. Here I'm using a Halloween themed Ziploc bag to store my toiletries. Because I was traveling by plane, I did have to have a separate bag for liquid items. I just used this bag as a toiletry bag. In this bag, I have half of a garlic bag that I use to hold the Zote soap pieces for showering, and it helps to exfoliate a bit. I also placed in there my deodorant and toothpaste. Now moving to packing the electronics. Use hair bands for holding cables. I found these to be very sturdy and they slide off very easily. I like to use elastic hair ties. These are hair ties I got from dollar stores that seem to have a bit of fabric around them. They slide off electronics really well, and I can use them to tie my hair if I need them. To roll up the wires, I just like to roll them up in a figure 8, and I stack the layers of the cable on top of each other. And to help differentiate my laptop charging cable from my phone charging cable, I did bundle the laptop cable along with the block. The phone charging cable I kept separate so that it would keep the access much easier. Instead of buying specialty travel gear, consider school backpacks for travel. The backpack that I use for travel is actually a school backpack that I picked up from Walmart. It was $5 and I purchased it after school had started, so it was on a ridiculous discount. You can see how well that linen bag is fitting into this backpack. It really does keep everything nice and tidy and together. Because this is a school backpack, it has many pouches, so I'm able to fit my laptop in here, and it's got nice padding. There's a lot of compartments for all of my wires. And my purse fits nicely on top of the linen bag. And because I know I'm gonna have to go through TSA, I do like to put my toiletry bag on the very top so that I can access it easier when I'm going through that TSA line. I didn't show it in this video, but anytime I travel, I do like to bring 1 or 2 extra shopping bags along with me, and that is to hold the dirty clothes. Pack an empty water bottle with you. I prefer to bring one that has a filter on it, but even an empty one that you can fill up with the airport water will be great and save you a lot of money. Anytime I travel, I do like to bring a filtered water bottle with me, and this way I'll have access to water wherever I go. TSA has never complained at me for bringing an empty water bottle through the line check. All said and told, my backpack weighed a total of 11 pounds, which I think is pretty good. I did hold out my coat and my pants because I will be wearing those on my person. And this is what the backpack looks like on me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.